when you interact with anybody at the first time, it's going to be really uncomfortable. But if you can just go through it, bring the other person to life, he or she is going to respect that. Are you feeling alone nowadays? We are living in a fast-paced world. People are coming, going, everybody's in a hurry, everybody wants to be successful, everybody wants to get their new car, get their new house, and people are alone. Do you know why? In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can get your friends back, start making genuine connections, make people want to hear from you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. You need to start being happy with yourself, being okay who you are, what you are doing, what you are experiencing, what is your story, because that helps you to become present, and that helps other people becoming present as well when you share these things that are from you. And it's much more easier the other people to also talk about themselves honestly and bring them into the present moment as well. And that's how you start remembering each other. And that's how you start knowing each other, facts about you, what your experience in life, what are your struggles, and you start to support each other. You start building the trust. But the hard thing is that relationships requires time. You cannot just expect bring low effort and expecting to get high results. I mean that you need to put effort, put yourself out there, help other people in order to get help back. You cannot request, you cannot just demand other people without you putting yourself out there. Because it's you that the people are actually connecting. What you need to be doing in order to get your friends back, start connecting to other people, is take a pause in your life, think about what is the problem? Or if you don't know the problem, you can start doing things differently. Start going to these situations, these interactions, social interactions, and start feeling the suffering, the uncomfortable feeling. And that's what makes you present. When you are feeling uncomfortable, you need to be in the present moment. So it trains you, your body trains you to focus on the situation and understanding that it's not really that bad. People start, also when you are feeling uncomfortable, people will notice that and people can relate to that. So it's not uncomfortable. It's being uncomfortable is not bad thing as itself. It's only bad if you start avoiding it. If you start embracing it, you start going through the pain. You start feeling that it's not that big of a deal. And you start feeling happy, you start, whoa, this is life, this is possible. And other people will notice that as well. And they also be happy as well. And that's how you start these journeys, these stories of relationships. Because when you interact with anybody at the first time, it's going to be really uncomfortable. But if you can just go through it, bring the other person to life, he or she is going to respect that. It takes effort. You also need to be consistent. Just listen to these people, what they are saying, what they're really thinking about. What are these problems? How you can, if you have experienced anything, how you can tell them that, how they can face it, make it more easier. That's what my best relationships about life. We want to enjoy our lives. We want to be ourselves. And we are pushing us. We are encouraging us to do these things because it's not that bad. But if you are feeling alone, you are really unconfident. So you really need the company of people that are trusting you and making these connections, start opening these doors, listening to people, helping them if you could, or just being willing to help. That's enough. And it also is enough to be yourself, because that's how you be in the moment. That's how you are living your life. So guys, that was some insights how you can build a genuine connection with a people and get your friends back. So let me know what you think of this video, and if you got any value, please make sure to do these things for the YouTube algorithm, and see you on the next one. Ciao.